Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm about to show you right now the Rinse-Wise TS Mine Spin Mop. It's available on Amazon. On the first container that was shipped out, it has one fault on it, which we already corrected on it. So this adapter that you see here is what transfers the clean water from the clean reservoir bucket into here. But it tends to come off at times. When you're taking it on and off, it tends to fall off and then people don't know what to do. We fixed this problem. So I wanna let you know, if you bought the first generation Rinse-Wise Spin Mop, you're gonna have this problem. So I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem. When it comes off, all you gotta do is line it up and you snap it right back in. There. And you're all set. Now, if you have 3M tape, double-sided tape, you could just grab your 3M tape, you can put it right here, and then you're gonna connect it right here. And then you're gonna have a nice stiff setup. Like I said, this is only the first container that was shipped out. We changed the problem already. Every single other one is working great and fine. Absolutely no problems at all. So if you're having this problem, this is the reason why you're having this problem. If you don't see your clean water pumping back in. So gave you a solution how to fix it. Use 3M double-sided tape and you're all good. So see y'all next time.